How to log in Cash App on new phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into Cash App on your new phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Cash App on your new phone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Cash App. Whether it is a new phone or whether it is an old phone or whether it is a resetted phone, it doesn't really matter. As long as you have access to your email or phone number, you'll be able to log in. Now you can choose to enter your phone or number over here. If you have an email address, you can select use email, and then you can just go ahead and then basically make sure to give them the email address. Then just tap the next option. After that, it's going to ask you to verify the code that was sent to this email over here. So let me go ahead and check and see whether or not I have received any sort of emails from Cash App. I'm just going to tap on this option, going to go and log into my email, refresh it a couple of times until I receive the verification code from Cash App themselves. If it doesn't work, try to check your spam folder. Also try to just go to your all inboxes section. Once you've received the code from Cash App, as you can find it over here, I'm just going to go over and then copy it over here. Once I go ahead and then copy this code, as you can find it, let me just go ahead and then copy the code. You can come back to the previous tab. Once you come back to the previous tab, you can just paste the code that we copied just a moment ago. Once you paste the code, we're going to be able to tap the next option. You don't even need to enter your password. Cash App will automatically sign you in as long as you have access to your email or your phone number. This way you can log into Cash App on the new phone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.